Good afternoon, everybody. It's May 5th. It is Tuesday. It's a beautiful day. Wish I could take a video of it for you outside on the Gulf Coast. We're coming live. Well, actually, it's not live, it's recorded. We're coming from Gulf Shores down here at the Harris Vacation Rental Harris Realty Group office. We are in Gulf Shores, Alabama, presenting you a COVID-19 market update. We're going to run through some real estate sales trends that we're seeing. Also, some vacation rental. A lot has changed in that side as this whole thing kind of changes week to week, day to day, it seems like. So we'll start kind of going through here. So new listings, we are seeing new listings hit the market. We're not seeing a spike in any sense, but we're seeing consistently new listings hitting the market. All this data that we're going to be talking about is just the Gulf Shores, Orange Beach segments. So it's just focused on the coastal market down here in Baldwin County. So we're seeing new listings be consistent through the market, through the weeks. We can see here that we have consistently increased closed transactions. So we're seeing new inventory hit the market. We're seeing, as we'll see in a second, pending transactions continue to be very steady and increase. We're also seeing closings continue to increase week over week. So a very healthy market. Pending under contract, after 3 weeks of increases, we actually saw a slight decrease from last week, although it's up if you're looking at just the trend as we go into that. What we're looking at here is the last week of April. That's what that April 24th data is. So pending under contract cooled just a little bit, but still an upward trend, a pretty aggressive upward trend. Okay, so price changes, again, aggressive over the first 3 weeks, slightly down from last week. Last week we saw that big spike. If you've been kind of paying attention as we've been doing these market updates, big spike last week in price changes as we're seeing sellers get more aggressive in the market. If you remove that spike from last week, this looks like another spike, although it doesn't look quite as high as the last week, of course. Still pretty aggressive moves on the price change front. Let's switch gears a little bit and talk about bookings. So this information is Harris Vacation Rentals data. And what we're seeing here, if we'll look at the blue bar, the dark blue bar is current 2020. The lighter blue bar is last year, same day of the week last year. So this is April 28th. I believe that was last Tuesday. We're seeing very huge numbers on the booking side. Comparing these two, this is probably a 5x increase, if not more. Consistently huge numbers on the rental revenue side, up 200, and let's just say that's 270%, 236% on the reservations made. This is actual number of bookings. This is actual revenue, nightly rent. Another graph I want to show you this is May. So this is a daily occupancy for May. And what we're seeing here, I don't know if this is in the way or not, but what we are seeing here is very low occupancy as we move across the first, third half of May. So there's two lines here. The blue line is Harris Vacation Rentals. Okay. The orange line is the Alabama vacation rental market. So properties under property management programs in the Alabama Gulf Coast. So this is the market, and this is Harris Vacation Rentals. You can see that both are very down from what a normal May would be. So this graph is as of April 21st. That's 2 weeks ago. Okay. So the next chart we're going to show you is current day. So just over 2 weeks of booking has filled in all of this early May. We're still seeing spikes on the weekends. You got a weekend spike here with a trough, a weekend spike here. I imagine this will start to flatten out here, and this will probably be a more of a 3-day spike, as we've seen a 3-day spike here. This, of course, is Memorial Day, which everybody's very excited about. And you can see the market as a whole increased substantially from where it was. Both experienced about double 100% increases just in 2 weeks for occupancy in May. Now here you can see them side by side. So here's our April 21st, and then here's 2 weeks later, May 5th. It was this morning that we took this data. You can see just substantial increases. These are the same days of May, just huge increases. This is going from, let's call that maybe 8% to above 40%. So just massive increases as people really do a ton of last minute, what we're calling ultra last minute bookings coming down, day of, next day, week of type reservations. So that's it. Quick update today. We'll have another full interview, full market update with Josh next Tuesday. Wanted to get this in front of you as this continues to change week by week, and make sure that you've got information for us. We are Harris Vacation Rentals, boutique property management company specializing in luxury properties. Harris Realty Group, we are a full real estate brokerage. You can connect with us through our website, or you can connect through us with a phone call. So thanks so much for watching this. Pass it along to anybody you think would enjoy it or find it useful, and we'll continue to make these market updates as long as they're needed.